Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and finding that your coffee has already been made. Your kitchen is spotless. Your laundry is folded. And your groceries have been neatly unpacked, all before you've even started your day. There are no hidden cameras, no team of assistants, and no magic. Instead, a humanoid robot quietly moves around your home, completing everyday tasks with the ease and confidence of a human helper. It sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, yet one of the world's most influential technology companies believes this future could arrive much sooner than most people expect. That company is Tesla, and the robot is called Optimus. When most people hear the name Tesla, they immediately think of electric cars. Others might think of self-driving technology or Elon Musk's bold promises about the future. But according to Musk, Tesla's biggest product may not be a car at all. In several public appearances, he has suggested that Optimus could eventually become more valuable than Tesla's entire automotive business. Considering Tesla is one of the most valuable car manufacturers in the world, that's an extraordinary claim. So why would Elon Musk make such a bold prediction? Is Optimus truly the next technological revolution, or is it another ambitious project that's still years away from becoming practical? To answer those questions, we need to understand what Optimus really is, why Tesla is building it, and why so many experts believe humanoid robots could transform the way we live and work. At first glance, the idea of Tesla building a robot might seem unusual. After all, Tesla doesn't manufacture household appliances or industrial robots. Its reputation was built on electric vehicles. However, if you look beyond the cars themselves, you'll notice something important. Tesla has never considered itself just a car company. Over the past decade, it has quietly become one of the world's leading artificial intelligence, battery, software, and manufacturing companies. Every Tesla vehicle is packed with cameras, sensors, powerful onboard computers, electric motors, and sophisticated AI systems capable of interpreting the world around them. In many ways, a Tesla car is already a robot, just one that happens to drive on four wheels. Optimus takes many of those same technologies and places them inside a human-shaped body designed to walk, lift, carry, and interact with the physical world. But why choose a humanoid design? Wouldn't a machine with wheels or robotic arms be more efficient? The answer lies in the world humans have already built. Everything around us, our homes, offices, warehouses, factories, tools, staircases, shelves, and vehicles, has been designed for the human body. Door handles are placed at human height. Stairs are built for human legs. Tools are made to fit human hands. By giving a robot 2 arms, 2 legs, and hands with fingers, Tesla hopes it can operate in environments without requiring expensive redesigns. Instead of changing the world to fit robots, the robot is designed to fit the world. The need for machines that can perform physical work is becoming increasingly important. Around the globe, many industries are struggling to find workers willing to take on repetitive, physically demanding, or hazardous jobs. Warehouses need employees to move heavy packages for hours every day. Factories require workers to perform the same assembly tasks thousands of times. Construction sites expose people to dangerous environments. Hospitals often ask nurses to lift patients or transport heavy equipment. These jobs are essential, but they can also be exhausting and sometimes unsafe. Tesla believes a capable humanoid robot could take over many of these repetitive tasks, allowing people to focus on work that requires creativity, decision-making, and human interaction. Of course, the idea of humanoid robots isn't new. Engineers have spent decades developing machines capable of walking, balancing, and interacting with their surroundings. Companies around the world have demonstrated impressive robotic prototypes, some capable of dancing, running obstacle courses, or performing carefully choreographed routines. Yet despite these remarkable achievements, very few humanoid robots have become useful commercial products. Most remain expensive research projects, built in limited numbers. That's where Tesla believes it can make a difference. Instead of producing a handful of demonstration robots, Tesla wants to manufacture Optimus on a massive scale, using many of the same production techniques it developed for its vehicles. If successful, Optimus wouldn't just be an engineering showcase, it would become a product that businesses and, eventually, households could actually purchase. Tesla also possesses a unique advantage that few robotics companies can match. Every day, millions of Tesla vehicles travel roads around the world, collecting enormous amounts of visual information. Their cameras observe roads, traffic signs, pedestrians, construction zones, cyclists, animals, weather conditions, and countless unexpected situations. This massive collection of real-world data has helped Tesla develop powerful computer vision systems capable of understanding complex environments. Although driving a car and controlling a humanoid robot are very different challenges, both require machines to interpret the physical world accurately. Many of the AI systems developed for Tesla's vehicles can also contribute to teaching Optimus how to recognize objects, understand space, and make intelligent decisions. One of the most fascinating aspects of Optimus is that Tesla isn't programming the robot to follow a long list of rigid instructions. Traditional industrial robots typically perform the same movement repeatedly because engineers have carefully programmed every action. If the environment changes, those robots often become confused or stop working altogether. Optimus represents a different approach. Powered by artificial intelligence, Tesla wants the robot to learn from experience. Just as humans improve by practicing, Optimus can be trained using enormous amounts of data. Instead of memorizing a single movement, it gradually learns patterns that allow it to adapt to new situations. This ability to generalize is one of the reasons many researchers believe modern AI could dramatically expand what robots are capable of doing. Imagine teaching a child how to stack boxes. You wouldn't write thousands of instructions describing every possible movement. Instead, you would demonstrate the task several times, allowing the child to recognize patterns through observation and practice. Tesla hopes Optimus can learn in a similar way. By watching examples and receiving feedback, the robot gradually develops a better understanding of how to manipulate objects, navigate environments, and complete increasingly complex tasks. This learning process allows the system to improve over time, especially as Tesla continues refining its software. Of course, building an intelligent robot requires much more than advanced software. The physical machine itself must also be capable of moving naturally and safely. Every joint, motor, sensor, and actuator must work together with remarkable precision. Unlike a factory robot that remains bolted to the floor, Optimus must maintain balance while walking, avoid obstacles, climb steps, bend down to pick up objects, and interact safely with people. Even seemingly simple actions, opening a door, carrying a fragile glass, or placing groceries onto a shelf, require extraordinary coordination. Humans perform these tasks without conscious thought because our brains and bodies have evolved over millions of years. Teaching a machine to achieve similar flexibility is one of the greatest engineering challenges of our time. And perhaps that's why Optimus has attracted so much attention. It isn't simply another robot. It represents Tesla's attempt to combine artificial intelligence, advanced manufacturing, electric power systems, and real-world learning into a single machine that could one day work alongside humans. Whether Optimus fulfills Elon Musk's ambitious vision remains uncertain. But one thing is already clear. The race to build practical humanoid robots has begun, and its outcome could shape the future of technology just as profoundly as the smartphone, the internet, or the electric car.